Yambote, ngizambote. Evo mukututala una tutondele. Sito longoka ndinga cheto. Pangizeto kwa kwena. Welcome. Thank you very much. We're going to learn the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo. Thank you. I'm going to greet the brothers, a brother and a sister. Thank you very much. Kiambote, Nengwa Luis.
Kiambote Tata Mpanzu.
Tunama vimpie.
Ingeta Tunama Vimpi Tutondele.
Tutondele. Kiambote, Nengwa Russia.
Kiambote, Ingeta,
Tunama vimpie.
Tunamavempe, Tutondele.
Ingeta tutondele. Tutondele. Kiambote, Tata Emeka.
Kiambote,
Tunama vimpie.
Ngeta, Tunamavimpi, Tutondele.
Tutondele. Wow. This is our own language, no? We're thinking in Kikongo. Wow. Amazing. Thank you very much. Let me just try to share my slide. Where is my slide? Can't see it. Okay. It's here. Share. Let me see my slide. Okay. Yes. This is our first lesson. I just want to go through this lesson just to help brother Emeka and sister Louise. No, sister Louise. Sister Rachel, because sister Louise, it's fine. She's been here before. Okay. Kiambote means what? What does it mean? Is there? How are you? Literally, health of goodness. Tata. Tata. Nengwa Louise? Tata.
Sir, Mr.
Yeah,
Father.
well done. Well done. Sir, Mr. Father, no, really, because father it's say. Say diami, my dad. Say diami. Nengwa. Nengwa Louise, any idea? Nengwa.
Nengwa, like ma'am. Mrs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Madam Mrs. Let me just try to test brother Emeka. This is long vowel, remember? Elo.
Yes.
Well done. Well done. Nengwarasha, please. Ingeta means.
Indeed, so shall it
Yeah.
be.
Wow, well done. Well done. Well done. Yes, indeed. Ve. Nengwa Louise?
No.
No, yes, ve. This is a good question. Long vowel, be careful. Long vowel. Salakiambote. Tata Emeka. I'm coming to visit you. I'm leaving. Who says to whom?
If you're leaving, then you would say that to me if I was staying.
Okay, well done. Thank you very much. Yes. In English is goodbye anyway.
Stay well, right?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is translation. Yeah. That's goodbye. Yeah. There, yeah. Nengwa ratio. This is obvious. Who says when the Kiambote?
The person who remains when the Kiambote in reply to Salakiambote.
Yes. Okay. Now, this is thinking in Kikongo, our mother tongue, yeah, our ancestor language. Nusala Kiambote. Nengualis, can you? There are two variations. I mean, meaning. Go ahead, please.
Okay, so you either say it to a senior person or that's plural. You say to many people.
Yeah, well done. Thinking in Congo. Remember, like, one day, at one of the lessons, the pastor said that we are not from the philosophy of individual autonomy. Sorry, we talk about philosophy. We are not from the French philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre and the other one, Albert Camus, yes. Because from the 14th century, the Renaissance, La Renaissance. So, okay, I can't talk about that. Okay. That's the thing, yeah.
Very interesting.
If you think in Congo, okay, these are language. If you think in Congo, you understand that we are not from that philosophy. Yeah, we're not thinking as Western. Elder is elder. See? Mom, grandmom, our ancestors, we love them and we owe them respect. See? So, elder, are you with me, Nengwa Rachel?
See, yes. Elo.
Yeah.
Elo.
Very well. Look at it. Qualified, yes.
And you're saying,
Nuenda Kiambote. Nengwa Rachel.
I'm going to say this is said for the people who are remaining. They are saying
who are going, people are going, or many going, or to a senior person. Yes.
No. So my question is, when one says Nuenda Kiambote, this is the reply back to those who are leaving.
Yeah, we say that to people who are leaving, or to a senior person who is leaving.
Okay.
Yes. Remember here when we say Nusala Kiambote, we're saying bye to a senior or many people staying. When we say Nuenda, remember singular is Sala. NU is second plural. Remember two tone de TU first plural. Nu plural, second plural. So Nuenda Kiambote, one person would be Wenda, but Nuenda. NU is hidden here, yes. NU, Nuenda Kiambote. Go well. Diambote. Tata Emeka, Diambote. You said that to me, I think, in the background when we came. We were talking, yeah?
Yeah, good.
Diambote.
Good. Yes.
Well done. Good, right? Diambote, like this. Sister Louise, remember, what about this? Diambote is there. Mbote, good. What about this? MBI.
Diambote.
This is Diambote, yes.
No. That is Diambote.
MBI. You just remove Mbote. You use the MBI. Diambi.
Oh,
Diambi, okay.
Yeah, Diambi. Away, any help? Who can help us? Nengwa Louise, please.
Away.
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah.
I can't remember that one.
Yeah. Okay. it is to let me say you said that you've won $10 million away.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, almost same. Yeah, my
My
goodness.
goodness. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Same thing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It is how. Yeah.
Akwe. Mhm. Akwe. Where? Mhm.
Awkward.
Where is it?
Where?
Mhm. We have two words here. Mhm. Kuma. Here the root word is kuma. Sorry. Kuma. This is the root word. Kuma. Do you remember Nengolvis? Cause. Mhm. Cause, reason. Key is what? Mhm. Ekuma key. What is the reason? Mhm. Why? It means why. Ekuma key. Why? What literally what's the reason is what? Okay. Kewakwe. Whenever you go to traditional Congo people talk, we always say Kewakwe. Mhm.
Sorry, I think
Because
somebody's at my door. I'm sorry, I'll be right back.
yeah, go ahead. Don't. Kewakwe. Kewakwe.
Okay. Are you asking every? Okay, you're gonna show it. All right.
Will sound like Kewakwe. Kewauko, but Kewakwe.
Wow, kwe.
Kewakwe. Remember this word because we are going to use it soon.
Mhm.
Kewakwe.
And in what context is this used?
Sorry?
What context is this used?
Because we are Kikongo language, we have reverence. I mean, the tonality is reverent. When we have our traditional talks, let's say traditional wedding, other context, other talk, we don't force people. The language itself is soft. You see,
Mhm.
we always remember when you said tutondel, it's us, but you can say tondele, but we don't use that. See, always use tutondele, us. Can you feel that? So, kewakwe, you ask someone, you talking about Kikongo proverb. You don't force people to take your opinion, to receive you, to accept your opinion. You just ask them, Kewakwe. Yeah. Soon you
okay.
understand. Okay, thank you, mommy. Someone's writing. She's
Yeah.
learn a friend on Saturday's lesson from Angola. Mommy, thank you very much, mommy. Yes.
So you ask this basically to see if they agree with you.
Oh yes, yes.
Okay.
Kewakwe. I mean, let us just finish when you understand what I mean because we need to apply it. That's why it's very important. I mean, with time we're getting there soon, bit by bit. Unless you speak, you think in Kikongo, it's hard to understand the concepts, because translation is good, but translation you always lose something. Translation when we translate something, we lose the meaning sometimes, the soul, the sense, original meaning. Sansuka. Sansuka. When do we say Sansuka?
When somebody sneezes, right?
Well, you see, you have your paper. Okay, good. Sansuka. Let me just say hello to. Oh, thank you, mommy. Oh, okay. This is brother talking to mommy. Okay. Mommy said Ingeta. Thank you. So when you sneeze, Sansuka. Undoloka.
I know that one.
You know that one. Okay,
Oh yeah.
go ahead then.
You
Go
see
ahead.
this. You see this in what's known as the Lord's Prayer. It's forgive.
You clever. Okay. Undoloka.
Forgive
Yeah.
as we forgive our transgressors.
Yeah. Wow. Undoloka.
And doloka. And doloka.
Undoloka. Then Ilolokele.
Ilolokele. Ilolokele.
Yeah, Ilolokele. Oh, you can just say Kediambuko. Never mind. That's matter. Kediambuko. Kediambuko.
That's like the slang version of it. Kediambuko.
Not really, but yeah, there is this one. That is the other version. Away over Vele. Away over Vele. What did you say?
Away ovovole.
Away over Vele.
Away ovovole.
Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko. Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko. What meaning? What? Kiwidiko.
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear or I didn't understand.
Yeah, well done. Yes. Ekumbwame. The question will be
Oh yeah.
Kumba kunani.
This is what is your name, right?
Yeah, well done. Kumba kunani. Then your reply is there. Can you try to read it, brother?
Enkumbwame.
Well done. Kumbwame. So and so, yes.
Yes.
Kumbwame. Yes. Someone say hello to us. Hello.
Kiambote.
Kiambote. Sister, brother, sister, we don't know Kanyanga. Okay. Thank you. Okay, any questions?
He said, what did he said? Peace be on. Is that peace be unto you? Or is that peace?
Oh, Yenge. Oh, okay, Yenge. Yes, peace. It really depends on context, you know. Peace, happiness, joy.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions? Kumbwame, my name is Kumba Kuna. That's the question. Yeah. Thank you very much. Kikongo, we are going to practice something right now. Kikongo is a language. Kewakwe, you reply. Name will leave you remember. Yeah.
Iwau.
Well done. Let me just write it on. Where is it? 1 minute, please. Oh, something's going wrong on my sister. I can't write. Okay. Technology. Iwau. IWUWA. Oh, it's there. Okay, you can see it now. You should see it now. Can you see it on? Yes. Yeah.
Ingeta.
Ingeta. Ndinga means language. Ndinga. Mbote means good. I'm going to test you now. Be careful. Ndinga Ndinga
I guess
means
I missed that one. How do you spell that?
okay, let me just 1 minute. Sorry.
Okay.
Ndinga.
Dinga.
Quick test. Yes.
Yeah.
Don't panic, Sister Rachel.
Oh.
Okay. Kikongo Ndinga Mbote. Kewakwe.
Iwau.
Tata Emeka. Kikongo Ndinga Mbote. Kewakwe.
Wow.
Well done. Iwao. Kewakwe. Iwao. Let me just share my today's lessons. Bear with me 1 minute. Kewakwe Iwao. Remember, when we start a lesson, we always go back to. Let me just write again. Oh, mass computer slow. I don't know what's up. Oh, okay. Strange. Okay, sorry. We because of time. Okay, we always say that utokozi makambi. Utokozi. Sister Louise, I think you remember. Utokozi makambi.
Ingratitude is bad.
Thank you very much. When Congo person is talking, there are things that typical Congo. We are sometimes repetitive. These hours, we sing fair thing. So, utokozi makambi, ingratitude. But see the scroll. I always say thank you to people during the week. Can you see the names? Yeah.
Yes.
Matondo kwa yeno. I'm sure you know the meaning. Nengo Luis, Matondo kwa yeno.
Thank you.
To you, yeah. To
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So these are people who have. I always say thank you to them because utokozi makambi. During the week, these are people who are helping me, who are helping us. Learn Kikongo, see? I chat with them because there are things that are not written because people start writing. 20th century Kikongo, right? Because we rely too much on oral transmission, see? Yeah, we can't blame them anyway. But now we need to change, no? We're not. Okay, Brother Emeka, did you learn about genetics in Congo Kingdom?
Genetics?
No.
No. You're not talking like body parts, right? You're talking.
No. We're talking
Genetics.
We're really talking genetics. I think Sister Louise will understand. Remember?
Yeah.
Let's go to
Luvila.
Sorry?
Not saying Luvila.
Oh yeah, Luvila
Luvila.
means genealogy.
Yeah.
Let me just put my slide. This one, it is at the heart of Congo people. Congo people. Let me see. I need to do. It is important. Let's go through this. Let's see what's happened. If we can make it. We need to learn. Yes. I mean, I'm just want to give you a chance, brother Emeka and sister. This is a these are the hearts of these are the Nengwa Louise. Can you just read the top one, the yellow, the headline?
The 12 original clans that created Congo Kingdom.
Thank you. Here they are. Vuzidiaku, Panzu Ataku, Ntumba Mvemba, na Kongo na Lumbu, Tsaku na Vunda, Nzambwa Pakasa, Pondya Wala, Nkonzwa Mvemba, Navela, Nanga Kongo, Kanga Mvika, Kilanza. I'm sure Brother Emeka is very excited, no? He really likes this. And, you know, okay, we're going slowly, because this is very important.
Okay.
Well, Rachel, can you read for us, please?
Yes. Elo. Congo people are matrilineal. It means that woman rules in matters related to life in the family. It is called Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Each Kanda has their own passcode, unique to their Kanda. And Kanda, mother's blood, which means mother's blood lineage name, leads to one of the 12 original clans that created Congo Kingdom.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Tutondele. Remember the 12. Just keep in mind this 12. Mine leads to this one, the second one, but yeah. Carol Nengwa Rachel, this is the key slide.
Mitochondrial DNA, other known as Kanda, is inherited directly from your matrilineal line. Only meaning your mother's 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 mother on up your family tree until you run out of direct line mothers that you've identified. Cited on DNA-explain.com.
Thank you. This is my word. This is Kanda. It's not there. This is my word. This is me. Kanda. But this is science, today's science. But Congo people knew genetics before. I mean, before science, modern science, you know. We knew genetics. Now it's proven. It's there. It's the proof is there. Kanda. Kanda. Let me just go back. Woman, before la Renaissance, yes, we knew, we valued woman. Yes, make no mistake. Nengwa Louise, please.
Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Congo people knew about genetics in their own way before modern sciences. When a Congolese person, Nkongo, Mukongo, Congo Kingdom native asks, Ki iluvila loaku, what is your genealogy? They really mean, are you one of us?
Yes. All these documents are on our website.
Wow.
This is my clan's name, my passcode.
Kinlungu.
Well done. Well. Can you read first, please?
Yes, Kinlungu is the main name of my clan, but you have 13 words after, which are unique identifier, which are unique identifier of my maternal clan. Remember, Congo people are matrilineal. It goes back to infinite generation of my mom's mom, grandmother's mom, great grandmothers until forever. The chance for another clan to have the same exact 13 names after the main name as mine is the same order is 1 in a billion. Isn't it science?
Yes, this is well before the Renaissance, before 14th century. Yes. So this is my mom. I mean, my Kanda. Yes. You remember Kanda? Yes. Yeah. I will be talking Kanda always. Kanda. We have Kanda, mom side lineage. Then we have Kise, dad. But Bakongo, for anyone who is following us, we're not insulting. This is just we're talking about the Congo people. This us, We have mom is mom, Kanda is Kanda. Then we have that side. We call it Kise. But we are more mom than Kise. You understand what I'm trying to say here?
Okay.
Lady, mom is mom. Okay, this is my. Let me read it. My client, my Kanda. It ends with pound. See, one of the 12. Yes. Kilungu, umbululwiva, kiuma kitutulanga utoto matekelo, fumuvoka tano, kuna ngoma panzu. You don't need to memorize it. Someone else can say that I'm Kilungu, but unless there's a, remember, 13 March, same order, we are not the same, see? Any question, Brother Emeka?
No questions.
Yeah, these eyes know our ancestors, they knew it.
Is this passed on? Each generation, it's this knowledge is spoken about in general conversations.
Oh, this is a must, I mean, nowadays, no. But it used to be, it's a must. Remember, I think it's written somewhere. Let us carry on. When you say what, we don't ask, yes, we ask you, what is your name? Originally, your ID is not your name. We don't have a surname. Let me just try to read. Is there? Brother Emeka, please.
We don't have surnames. There is no Kikongo word for cousin. We don't have extended family.
Yeah, when I say we don't have, you understand what I'm trying to say? There is, but in our concept, original Congo, these are Western philosophy, no idea, not us.
Yeah, it's
Families.
Like cousin is your sister or your brother.
Sorry?
They're not like what we would call our cousins are just in Kikongo. There are brothers or our sisters. There is no.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I think. Let me just keep going. The reason I'm following, I'm trying to keep my eyes on the slide is because I get emotional. As soon as I move my eyes, you understand what I'm trying to say? Because these are, more than just sounds, just letter. It's deep in our soul.
Yes.
Yes. You're right, Brother Emeka. You're right. I think next slide. Here, Sister Louise, can you read for us, please?
The same. Oh, the bottom.
On the bottom square, please. This one.
I can't really see the bottom very clearly.
Okay. Let me read it very small. Yeah. Because when we say we don't have surnames, we do because we live in modern time. We're talking about Congo, original Congo society, Congo Kingdom, before we were, okay, you know what? What I'm trying to say, before Western people went there. This is how we run our country, our kingdom. There's no Kikongo word for cousin. There's no Kikongo word for cousin. Today, before I came to the class, I was explaining to my children, my family, my kids. I mean, brothers, sisters, boys and girls. Your sister, who is your sister? Because of my matrilineal, Kanda, all your mom's children are your sisters and brothers. They're not your cousin. See the blood, yes? The great, the blood goes, you're the same blood. So there is no Kikongo word for cousin. There is no. You don't have extended family. We don't use this expression because of what.
So you don't say great uncle, or
We say because we speak English, but you understand what I'm trying to say? Because in our original Congo kingdom, we don't say that. We don't use that. We don't use those words.
So is everyone the lateral? In other words, if you have 7 brothers and 7 sisters, everyone has children, everyone is married, and then those children grow up to have their own children. Would you still refer to all of the uncles as the generations go on as just uncle, just aunt?
Let me just go to the next slide. I'll go to. I understand what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Let me just go to the next slide. You understand shortly. Nengo Luis.
Your name has a value of a nickname. Your true identity is your Luvila. Brother equals Mpangi a Yakala. Sister equals Mpangi a Nkento. Nsanga, a brother or sister of the opposite sex only. Example, a brother uses it of a sister, vice versa.
Yes, brother Emeka, yes?
Yes.
See, this your name. Your name. Okay. Your name is your name, but to Congo, original Congo, we're talking about Congo Kingdom. When you say your name is Andrew, okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. But I want to know your Kanda's name. This is your true ID, identity. So remember, we're not talking modern society. We live in. We didn't have. I mean, they were wise, no? You can see. Here we talk about Tanga. Tanga, who is Tanga? I think we explained last time. Tanga is your brother. If sister calls brother Tanga, brother calls sister Tanga, but you don't call your brother Tanga. See?
Yes.
Sister does not call sister Tanga because we call everybody. General call everybody Panga Yakala, brother, Panga Kento. When we say Tanga, we know what we mean. As soon as I say Tanga, I mean my sister, if I'm a brother, and vice versa. Hello, Luvitu. Let me just move on. I don't want you to be emotional because this is me. See, this is my ID, my full ID. Yes.
Wow.
This is my full ID. So all the lineage, I got 4. A Congo person has 4. In modern time, we say 4 DNA code.
Oh yeah.
Your blood. I just try to simplify it. But this column is very interesting because woman. Yes. Yes. Brother Emeka, please. Oh yeah, no, it's okay. Let Sister Rachel read because these are the questions we're asking.
Okay.
You were asking us.
Tutandale.
Welcome.
Mom's sisters are also my mom's. Mom's brothers are called
Ngwakazi.
Ngwankazi.
Yes.
Long live the mother. Long live the mother. My mom's sisters, sons and daughters, are my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, if I answer a question.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, your question this is the answer because you just go.
You just keep.
But same principle applies. See. This is very important. If a Congo Ngwakazi, very important to remember. People usually tease Congo people because of this word, you know. because mom's brother traditional has power than my dad, you know.
Say that one more time. Repeat, please.
My mom's brother
Yes.
has more power than my dad in the traditional affairs.
Oh, wow.
Let's say traditional wedding. Yeah.
Wow.
I have in London the Congo people. Remember when I say Congo, I mean K. Yes.
Mhm.
There were traditional wedding. I saw a traditional wedding on YouTube. Congo, Congo K. Born here in London. The girl and the her fiance came home. It was a traditional wedding. I mean, the first part, traditional wedding. The boy, the fiance, went to visit the girl's house. Went to girl's house. Her dad was there, but her dad didn't didn't say anything until her mom, her uncle, I mean Wakazi, her mom's brother was the first person to speak, to talk about the wedding, traditional wedding,
Hmm.
until he finishes, give permission to dad to say something, you know.
Wow.
Wow.
That's very interesting.
Ladies.
Yes, the mother is powerful.
Oh, this is Congo. That's where we are. Congo. This is Congo K. Congo K. Ngwakazi. Remember Ngwakazi? This is the. Tata Mega, please.
All right. Mfumu Kanda Gwankazi equals the maternal uncle only. He is the lord of the clan.
Did you get it? Get it? Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Got
Yes.
it?
The Fumo
This
Kanda.
is Fumukanda. Very important. These are words we need to memorize. Even. Fumukanda. I mean, next time when we are at background, I can't say it here because too much.
Mhm.
I can't reveal too much about my family, you know. But Fumukanda is Fumukanda. Currently, I'm watching a traditional. I mean, a novella, a movie about some traditional Congo people explaining about Ngwakazi. Mm. But there's sometimes we go to the stream, but Ngwakazi is the leader, is the Lord. Kanda Congo people but in a lineage.
Mm.
Let me see. Yeah. Did I miss? Okay. Sister Louise, I think you're going to read this as well. Your questions answered, you know.
Mom's brothers, sons, and daughters are also my children because their dads are from the same kanda as my mom.
I meant Sister Rachel. Sorry, this is a question. Your question. Go ahead. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't worry, it's me. Sister Rachel, yes. She was asking a question, yeah.
Sit-on delay. Mom's brothers, sons, and daughters are also my children because their dads are from same kanda as my mom.
Yes. Yes.
That
This
is amazing.
Wow.
Congo Kingdom before they went to Africa, see?
Wow.
That is amazing.
Tatamika.
Dad's brothers are also my dads. Dad's sisters are also my Nkento female dads.
Mm.
Dad's brothers' sons and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
Ah,
Okay. Wow.
this lady in traditional affairs, wedding, she has more power than because we're talking Congo Kingdom, lady, more power than her brother
Wow.
in traditional affair. Let's say the one I was talking about to you about the traditional wedding. before the fiancé. I mean, at the door stood the lady, Tatan Kento. The man could not get in unless Tatan Kento allows him to go in. You understand what I'm trying to say?
See, yes,
There's
yes,
a traditional wedding,
yes,
so Tatan Kento stands at the door.
yes.
Is there unless she allows the man, the fiancé, to go into the house. Nothing's going to happen. See how powerful she is.
It's very, very structured.
Very, very, very structured. Nengwa Louise.
Dad's sisters, sons, and daughters are also my parents because they are from the same kanda as my dad. They are called Tata and Kento girls and Tata boys. Note, I can't really see the rest of it.
Yeah, the title Tata is nobility. Tata, in this case, Tata, not just sir, but means something else very heavy. Tata Emeka, are you with me? You understand this, I think, I'm sure.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, this is the culture shock right here.
Of course.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, this is very interesting.
Let me just put someone's writing here. So on the traditional marriage, the uncle has more authority to speak on behalf of the father. Yes, I'm going to give you just one example here. Yes, Lou, it is. Let me just when on my traditional wedding, traditionally we ask for the lady side ask for 12 pack of 24 cans soft drink, 12 pack. Since centuries, I mean, not centuries, sorry, years and years, it's been 12 pack of 24, each pack of 24 cans, soft drink. This is a tradition. You know what's happening?
Is number 12 to signify the 12 clans?
Good. Well, you are very smart, clever lady. We need to investigate. I always thought this is what I think, but I need to check my advisors. Yes, but on that day, my in-law, my mom's wives, my in-law, her uncle Ngwakazi asked for 13.
Wow.
He was breaking the law.
Yes.
My wife's dad was there, just no word. No word at all. You know what happened? Because he was the Ngwakazi, my family, my dad, my uncle, from my side, they had no choice. They have to give 13 because of Ngwakazi. See the Lord of the Clan. So my in-law, my mother-in-law uncle Ngwakazi said that I want 13. Even my wife's dad was there, but they were just like this. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the power, because this is the question we're asking. You know, see, you're asking when the traditional marriage, uncle. Yeah, no question about that.
And what you're teaching us is still being practiced today.
Oh yeah. I'm just giving you an example in London, the wedding in London, Congo.
Okay.
Cuidado. I'm talking Portuguese. Because we're talking Congo K. Even here in London, there's a video there. I can send it to you.
The espiritu, the spirit is still is still vibrant.
This is what make Congo, no? Congo people. We are Congo people. That's why I call it Congo. If you lose this, that's you finish, no? It's us.
That is amazing. That's amazing. So it seems
go
like
ahead.
I'm sorry. It seems like you would have to kind of probably live amongst the Congos to learn truly, and that's another layer of the language. In other words, you have to kind of learn kind of their nuances to kind of get into the minds of how they think.
Yes, but it's easy. You get it as long as you live with the Congo people. Remember, I'm saying Congo people K, yes, because all these countries, if you go to the Republic, the DRC, we have Congo people, but we have other ethnic group as well.
Mm-hmm.
We have Congo VK. Go to Angola, we have Congo VK and other ethnic groups. Same thing applies to Congo, small Congo, Brazzaville, yes.
Yes.
Someone is asking a question. Okay, it's mommy. Okay, see this mommy. Thank you very much, mommy. She's saying pre-colonial.
Ngeta.
Yes. Can you see, brother Emeka? This is for you to read. Huh?
Yes. Pre-colonial Bakongo women's were queen mothers and sisters.
Yes, indeed, mommy. You got it. Yeah. Okay, we're almost at the end.
My goodness.
Did you read this? I think we did it, yes.
Yeah, I read that.
Oh, someone is saying Ingeta. Oh, thank you, brother. Then this is what makes Congo people. This is Congo. When you talk about Congo, what comes to mind is Wakazi Tatanketo. See? Wakazi Tatanketo. Wakazi Tatanketo. Okay, Nengo Luis, please.
Right. Kise, Congo people, patrilineal lineages.
Yeah, what about, how do you say matrilineal?
Kanda.
Well done. Yeah, brother Miguel, Kanda, matrilineal. Okay, go ahead, Sister Louise, please.
Tatankento, female dad. She has special prerogatives in affairs related to her brother's children.
Yeah.
Wow. You know, I really love this because it brings accountability within a family. You know, it establishes a level of accountability. You know, instead of just how we have it, and Western philosophy is your kids are your responsibility. You know, but here it's a community, it's a family effort to raise up the next generation.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Yeah.
Mpangi Mecca.
Yes.
You remember though, the Congos here in U.S. for many generations. If we were doing trouble, making trouble, getting in trouble, not only our mothers and fathers would whip us, but it's our grandmothers and our aunts and anyone in the community.
Yes.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know?
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah.
I remember my neighbor almost whooped me one day because I was saying some foul language.
Right.
You almost whooped me one day.
Yes. Okay. This is the last slide.
All right.
This is me. I'm Fumu of Kinlungu clan. Mom's Kanda. I am Mwana, son. When we say son, okay, son, we don't mean really in the sense of Western son. Yes? Because I'm son. I was just talking to my, okay, let's put in Portuguese, in English, cousin. She lives in Africa. I was talking to her. She's younger than me, but she's my Tatankento.
Mhm.
Why? Any idea why? You remember the slides?
It's
Why?
because it's your the daughter of your mother's sister. Is that correct?
Yeah, you're getting there. So because her mom is my Tatankento,
Yes.
so same clan matrilineal of my dad. Therefore, because she's a lady, she's Tatankento said to me. See?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think we read it before here. Mm. Yeah, here. Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Dad sisters, yes, are also called Tatanket. Tatanket is that sister. Then here they are. The children are also my Tatanket. Mm. Yeah. Okay. This is our last slide. Thank you very much for being there, for being patient. This is too much to digest, I know, but this is Congo. Congo at its best, Congo. This what makes you Congo. Mm. K. I keep repeating Congo K. I'm Fumu of Kinlungu clan, Mom's clan, yeah, Mom's Kanda. I'm one of Kimalemba and Zinga. Just can you just note something here, ladies. I am from Kinlungu, Mom's clan. I'm Fumu. I'm one of my Kimalemba and Zinga. Kimalemba and Zinga is my dad's mom clan. Mm. I'm Tekelo, grandson of, I don't want to reveal this name, King's clan, maternal granddad Kanda. Ladies, can you see ladies?
Yes. Mhm.
Ladies, maternal granddad Kanda. Tekelo of King clan, paternal granddad Kanda. Ladies. Yeah?
Mhm.
So remember, Mwakazi and Tatankento.
Então.
Mwakazi and Tatankento. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much.
Yes, Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Get that.
Yeah, if you next time if you can come earlier, back before we go live, we'll
Yes.
have an informal talk because there are things I can't reveal here live,
Get
Yeah. But
Yes.
please remember, Ngwakazi, Tatankento. Any Congo, keep repeating K, Congo, Ngwakazi, Tatankento. I say Ngwakazi, I forget, because my dad is not there, When I say Tatankento, even my dad is not there, although she is his sister, But traditionally speaking, she has more power than the brother.
And she speaks for the family.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much indeed.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.